The double parsha of Tazria Metzora speaks a great deal about the disease known as tsarat, often translated as leprosy. And this is where a person would present with a certain wound on their skin, on plain skin, on a place where there was hair. It could also happen on a garment or even on a home. And they would go to a kohen, because only the kohanim could decide whether this person was tameh, impure, or tahor, pure. Often it involved a period of setting them aside and waiting and checking whether the symptoms had changed or whatever. And when they were a full-blown Metzora, then they had to be sequestered outside of the town until such time as they got better. The Talmud tells us that a Kohen could look at the wounds, at the symptoms of any person. Kol ha-negaim adam ro'eh. He could look at his friend and his wife and his children, wherever the symptoms appeared, with one exception. Chutz me'nigay atzmo. He could not look at his own symptoms. He could not make a decision on his own symptoms. Kol ha-negaim adam ro'eh chutz me'nigay atzmo. All of the plagues, all of the symptoms, all of the negativity a person can see except their own. From which there came an idiom, meaning that we can see the negative points in other people, but we cannot see the negative points in ourselves. Rav Papo, in his great ethical work, Rav Eliezer Papo, in his great ethical work, Pele Yoetz, he has an entry on the topic of chisaron, the fact that everybody is lacking in some way. Some people are lacking in intelligence. Some people are lacking in fortune. Some people are lacking in communication skills. Whatever it may be, he said we are all lacking. There's no person who isn't lacking something or another. The difficulty is we're not able to see often what we are lacking because we cannot see our own flaws. We can see everybody else's flaws, but we cannot see our own flaws. And therefore, he says you have to go to a wise person. And you have to go there with humility, ready to hear what they have to say, because they may say, look, you are missing a certain social skill. You have to work on it. If you work on it, you're going to become a better person. And we have to take what they say to heart. We have to go to people that we trust, to mentors who can look at us in an objective way, because we cannot look at ourselves objectively. We can only look at ourselves subjectively, and we feel that we're great. Everything we're doing is correct. But says the Talmud, Kol negaim adam ro'eh chutz me'nigay atzmo. You can see other faults, other people's faults. You cannot see your own. And therefore have a trusted friend, a mentor, a rabbi, somebody who can help you to identify what your lackings are, what your faults are, and to work on them to perfect them. I wish you a Shabbat Shalom.